Namaskaram. Today I am gonna tell you a story about Kamtana Swami, which is situated in the Kamatgiri hills in the Chitrakoot. My effort is to make you feel the love of Lord Rama for this place by the story. After getting exiled from Ayodhya, Lord Rama, Mata Sita, and Lakshmanji met Rishi Bharadwaj and he advised them to meet Valmiki sage. From here, our small story begins. Lord Rama arrived to Valmiki Muni and asked him, O sage, tell us where we should reside for our exile. Muniji said, Rama, Chitrakoot is pious and holy place, inhabited by the great sages abounding in monkeys, bears, and various other kinds of flora and fauna. The sages have enormous knowledge and divine power, so they will give you more knowledge about life, karma, salvation, and people of that place will love you more than their life. He also said, Ram, it is suitable place to live. After all, it is deep forest. It is not easy to live in exile. One have to face all the problems. At last he smiled and asked Rama, O Lord, you are reincarnation of God. You already know where to go. Why asking me? We all know Maharshi Valmiki is the creator of Ramayana. He had written Ramayana even before the birth of Lord Rama. Then Rama with his wife and brother went to Chitrakoot to Kamdagiri hills. And he stayed 11 years 6 months out of exile of 14 years. And then he went for Panchavati in Nashik, from where Ravan abandoned Sita Ma. So in Chitrakoot, he met with sages like Muni Atri, Mata Sati Anasuya, Dattatreya, Maharshi Markandeya, and many renowned seers, devotees, and thinkers who mediated here, and they all gave Rama jewel of divine knowledge, whatever they had possessed. Now we will know significance of Bharat Milap Temple. Bharat Milap Temple is beside Kamdagiri Hills, marking the spot where Bharat met Rama and persuaded him to return to the throne of Ayodhya. Meeting of four brothers was so emotional that even the rocks and mountains of Chitrakoot melted. Footprints of Rama and his brothers were imprinted on these rocks and are still present today, seen in Bharat Milap Mandir. Bharat Koop. Bharat Koop is a place where Bharat stored holy water collected from all places of pilgrimage in India. The water in the well remains pure and clean round the year. The story goes that Bharatji came to Chitrakoot to convince Sri Rama to come back to Ayodhya after the death of King Dashrath, to ask Sri Ram to become king of Ayodhya and rule it, thus creating Ram Rajya. For this purpose, for his Abhishek, he also brought the water of five rivers along with him to do Lord Ram's coronation. But Lord Ram told Bharat that he does not wish to break his vow given to King Dashrath of coming back to Ayodhya only after completing Vanvas of 14 years. So Bharat asked Rishi Vashisth how to use the five rivers water that he brought along with him for Lord Ram's coronation. Rishi Vasisth advised him to put all the water along with flowers he had got for Raj Abhishek in a well specified near Chitrakoot. He explained that the water in this well will remain pure and will be revered till the end of time. Sati Anusuya Ashram. Rama, along with Sita, had visited this place to meet Maharshi Atri and Mata Anusuya. It is here Sati Anusuya who explained Mata Sita the grandeur and importance of Satitva, which mean chastity and devotion towards husband, and gifted divine clothes which will never get dirty, and jewelry to Mata Sita. Lakshmana Hill or Lakshman Pahadia. Lakshmanji used to guard his brother Ram and Mata Sita from demons and dangerous animals during night time from this hill. So, it is known as the Lakshman Pahadia. Sita Rasoi. This Rasoi is believed to be the place where Sita cooked food for her family for the first time after her marriage to Lord Ram. Within the premises are displayed symbolic kitchen utensils like rolling pin and rolling board is still present there. Khatkhata Chor. Mata Sita was bathing in the Gupta Godavari cave one day. Meanwhile, a demon named Mayank stole his clothes. On this, Sita ji dislodged her hair from head and cursed Mayank to become a monstrous stone. When he pleaded that he would die of starvation in this way, then Mother Sita gave her the boon to eat the sins of those who came to the cave and to fulfill his hunger and to remain here for Yugantar. Sphatik Shila, few kilometers beyond Janki Kund, is another densely forested area on the banks of Mandakini. One can climb up to the boulder which bears the Rama footprint and Sita footprint. According to Ramcharitmanas, it is said that Lord Rama with Lakshman was sitting on this Shila when Hanuman returned from Lanka after setting it on fire and confirmed the news to Lord Rama that Sita has been imprisoned in Ashok Vatika at Lanka. Ram Shaiya. According to Ramayana, this is the place where Sri Ram, Sita ji and Lakshman ji used to sleep and rest in the evening after wandering around the forest of Chitrakoot. It is located between mountains with no nearby town. It has a large flat bedrock which bears foot imprints popularly believed to be those of Sri Ram, Lakshman and Mata Sita. Hanuman Dhara. A rock-faced steep hillside is a spring said to have been created by Rama to assuage Hanuman. When returned after setting Lanka afire, he told Ram, "My body is burning." Then Ram asked him to lie down the spring water and cool his body. Gupta Godavari. From Vindhya Ranges Hill, there Gupta Godavari. From Vindhya Ranges Hill, there is a pair of caves, one high and wide with an entrance through which one can barely pass, another long and narrow with a stream of water running along its base. So in one cave is for bathing Sita ji, another cave which is very narrow and down from the base water is running, that is river Godavari, which suddenly disappears as she reaches near Peepal Tree. Janki Kund. Janki Kund is situated upstream of Ramghat, where it is believed that Sita bathed in the crystal clear water of Mandakini river in Chitrakoot. So bright red dye on liquid color used to adorn feet are still there with the footmarks of Sita ji. Kamatgiri Hill is the holiest place where Ramji stayed 11 years 6 months. Each step, each place, Rama's blessings are present. Person should walk 5 kilometers in circumference on Parikrama Marg around the hill. There are a small temple in the way which has their own significance. And after completing Parikrama, one should go Kamtanath temple situated in Kamatgiri Hills and ask for their wishes. Swami Kamtanath fulfills wishes and blesses everyone here in our mental journey towards Chitrakoot Dham. Namah Shivaya, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman.